Hello. So dry fire tayo to this afternoon, no? To make the dry fire more interactive, more fun, I use Airsoft, the same as my carry gun, which is Glock 19. I don't have with me any real gun, no real bullets, no real magazines. It's just pure Airsoft and a timer. So ang drill ko ngayon is pag beep 1.4 seconds dapat maka-draw from concealment then fire at least once, depende sa layo, mga 10 or 7 to 10 meters or sometimes closer. You might ask bakit 1.4 seconds, medyo matagal. When it comes to shooting, it's a diminishing skill. It's been 2 years since I last really practiced my pistol. I'm just practicing my rifle for competition, so it degraded, but it doesn't mean that I will let it degrade more. So at least aside from dry fire during the night, wala namang tao sa street namin, I'll do some airsoft, draw and fire. So airsoft with a orange colored optic, a full magazine. Let's go. Miss first shot. So for fat guys like me, I need to tilt back and push this tummy out so that this can go straight up. Otherwise, if I don't, it will bump against the bodega here. So I start, no fight indicator, be as comfortable or as relaxed as possible. So relax, hands on the side, and when it's go time, garment out, tilt back, draw, fire. Right target. First shot miss. Garment. If you don't clear your firearm well, masyadong atat, garment will get snapped. So far hitting. Right target. Even though airsoft, you should know where your trigger finger is, which is outside until you're ready to shoot. Draw it like this. Okay? Don't draw like this. Your first shot might just be on yourself. Ang target natin are paper plates. This is what I use to practice plates, metal plates for my competition. But to refine my shooting, so instead of using the normal IPSC target board, I use this so that if I miss that paper plate, it's a miss. Okay, then I penalty myself for that, because in the real world that could be a bullet going down the direction of civilians that are not my intended target. It adds more challenge to what we're doing, because the targets are smaller. It's like my palm size. Okay, normal paper target of paper plate of 7-Eleven. So what's my takeaway for this afternoon? Number one, I'm trying to make dry fire fun, because we all know dry fire is so boring. Number two, I see using airsoft as the midpoint between dry fire and live fire. It's not a replacement of live fire training. For me, it's better than pure dry fire, because there's interaction with you and your firearm. It helps you get used to the moving of the dot when the firearm cycles. You're gonna need lots of bullets to get used to that in live fire. In my opinion, doing it on airsoft lessens your cost of getting used to of the moving dot. You can also practice your cadence. Reloads right now for 9mm is around 13-14. There are 14 peso reloads. Imagine doing build drills just for you to get used to this. That's gonna put back many people. I don't have that much budget for live ammo too, so as I start building my cadence, I do it with airsoft first, then once every weekend around 50 to 100 live fires to see how close my performance with airsoft is towards the live fire. Then I'll adjust my practice. I hope you get something out of this. If not, I'll try to put out better contents in the future. Thank you for watching. Peace.